Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to purchase a mining machine on OneMiners. Whether you're new or experienced, this tutorial will help you make your purchase smoothly. Let's get started. First, let's navigate the OneMiners website. Go to www.oneminers.com and you'll see the homepage. From here, click on the Order Miner tab in the top sidebar menu. This will take you to the page with all the available mining machines. Next, let's choose the right mining machine for your needs. You'll see various options with different specifications and prices. Consider factors like hash rate, power consumption, and compatibility with your mining setup. For example, if you're looking for efficiency and high performance, the KS0 Ultra is a great choice. Click on the machine you're interested in to see more details. Now, let's look at the payment options. OneMiners offers multiple payment methods, including bank transfer and cryptocurrency. Choose the method that works best for you. If you're paying with crypto, make sure to have your wallet ready for a seamless transaction. Once you've selected your payment method, enter your payment details and review your order. Make sure everything looks good, then click Place Order. You'll receive a confirmation email with your order details. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a mining machine on OneMiners. In summary, purchasing a mining machine on OneMiners is straightforward and hassle-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more crypto content. Happy mining, and see you in the next video.